If you're looking to make a career change, does it feel like you can get a job, but they're not the jobs that you want? I had the audacity in 2014 to think that I could make a career pivot into tech. I had been a teacher for 8 years, and I thought someone in tech must need my skill set. And so when I started looking, pulled up LinkedIn job descriptions, LinkedIn told me that I wasn't qualified for any job I wanted. Luckily, I didn't listen. I kept going. Within a couple months, I was at a job in Microsoft, elected to move to a fast-growing startup, got promoted, started to build my own team, and had 8 direct reports. I was inspired based on this to use everything I'd learned and this experience of these obstacles of things that are supposed to help us to start my business Bespoke Professional. I have now worked with over 141 clients, teaching them the strategies to get their dream job, the job that they want. I know you're like, I've heard a million people talk about resumes, the perfect resume, ATS keywords. That stuff is easy to sell y'all on and get you scared about, but you don't have to worry about that so much. There are other strategies, and I want to teach them to you. So if you're ready to try something different, I hope you'll join me for this live workshop in person at the Cloud Room. It's called How to Land Your Dream Job, and we're going to go through the strategies to getting the job that you want. But we will not be obsessing about keywords or perfectionism. I only do it once a year in person, so make sure that you grab your ticket. There's a small cost, and if you're a Cloud Room member, it is free. I cannot wait to meet you, hear your questions, and share these strategies with you. Sign up now. Do not miss it.